you can check out their vendor-specific page, as well as installation guides, tutorial videos, and things like that, which is really handy. So I am going to actually close this so I can actually install the fonts that, they suggest. And these will all be freely available fonts, although these are from a couple different websites, but DeFont seems to be the most common. I'm going to make a fonts folder in this folder just so I have all this stuff together, because I will be moving this to multiple computers. I believe I already have that font installed, but just in case. All right, so for Google Fonts, if you ever encounter these are a little confusing. You hit select this font, and then nowhere else on the page does it look like you can download it. But you click here where it said whatever family selected, and then that little down arrow is for downloading. It's really weird. They do not make it obvious because it's meant to be used on the web. All right, and then once again, I'm going to browse to the fonts folder, right-click all of the zip files, and for 7-zip, WinRAR also has this option. Extract here. Ideally, you have all of the TTF files, so you can go to View, Group by Type, select all of the font files. They might be TTF or OTF. Right-click and hit Install. It's that easy. Now I have all the fonts required, so we can go back here to our overlay, and I should be able to open up that Photoshop file without any major issues, assuming the fonts are still the same name. Hey, look at that. They are. All right, so we have that one, we have that one, and we have that one. I'm going to go with this one for now. I don't actually know what this is going to be used for at the moment, because I didn't read the instructions. That's why you should. You can see here the letters kind of get a little close together, so we can use Photoshop's controls to kind of fix that. Holy guacamole, not so much. And actually, all I really want to do is change these letters. Okay, so if you go into one of the overlay folders here, for example, Retrowave Overlay Default, Green, let's check out Green, and then Overlay, these are .webm files, which is a type of video format that's really easy to work with things like OBS. And then if you play them, which will play back in a free video player like MPC or VLC,